Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Recipes with atwist.com. My name is Victoria Paikin and today I'm here with my friends at recipeline.com who asked me to produce a video on this beautiful asparagus and pasta bake. So, if you like the idea, stay tuned! For this recipe you will need about 4 cups cooked pasta. I'm using different pasta. It's called, Italian call this pasta mista, when you have leftovers of different pastas. So I'm used those. Eggs, garlic, vegetable bouillon cube, milk, cheese, grated mozzarella, baby dill, asparagus, salt, cayenne pepper, pepper and mustard. Take your asparagus and cut the woody tips out. Don't throw them away. You can use them inside the soup. Asparagus soup will be perfect with those parts. And take them out. Now, cut the rest, half of the asparagus to little slices, basically, this way. And those are thin and fine asparagus. Really tasty, very fresh. You can almost eat them fresh, as they are. Okay, now leave all the tips as they are. Add those to your pasta. Beautiful and fresh smelling. And asparagus now is in season, so this is the best time to buy asparagus, price-wise and taste-wise. And all the nutrients are the best now in asparagus, so this is perfect dish for the season. Your blender, add the baby dill in, everything, including the stalks, salt, garlic, bouillon cube, it's vegetable one, milk, eggs. I'm using 4 huge eggs. If you use small one, you use 5 eggs. Okay. Pepper, cayenne pepper. I'm adding in, and mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. I'm using yellow mustard. So it's pretty cool, about a teaspoon. And blitzing all together. Okay, I thought about this and I think that I will add about 1/3 cup of the asparagus tips inside and blitz it together, just for adding more flavor. Now take your pasta, asparagus and about half of the cheese, add inside, add all the liquids on top, and mix it in. It's beautiful and gorgeous. By the way, I covered all the pasta after I cook it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Nice, it smells terrific in here. Garlic and beautiful. Now take your rest of the cheese and cover all the top with this. It's pretty cool. Nice. Take your asparagus tips and just place on top of everything, like so. It's going to be very beautiful. Take olive oil and brush it on top of the asparagus. You can just cover it before you're placing it here, if you don't have brush. sprinkle tiny cheese on top just for the sake of the beauty. Not other reason that I had in mind. And pop it to preheated oven for 375 Fahrenheit for about, let's say, half an hour, 35 minutes, or until all the juices are soaked and asparagus is done, beautiful and done. See you there! Let's try this yummy casserole. Oh, it looks good. Sorry. Yum, yum, yum. Cheesy, beautiful, fresh, and just amazing. I hope you liked the idea. And don't forget to subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria!